Hi, what's up internet? This is Amita Singh presenting you how to install Oracle SQL Developer Tool on your Windows 10 64-bit. So before proceeding to this session, let me recall you the previous session in which we have installed Oracle database on our machine, and now in today's session we'll be seeing how to make connection between the SQL tool and database and how to install it. So let's get started. So just go to your browser and type Oracle SQL Developer Installer. Now here go to the first link. So you'll come to this window, and here it is written the description of on what window it is available right now. So we are going to install for Windows 64-bit with JDK 8 included. Yes. So make sure you have already included the JDK in your system. We have already installed the JDK. So let's go to SQL Developer here. Now you'll come to the SQL or Oracle SQL Developer. Simply now just you need to download this. Now here we have option like Windows 64-bit with JDK 8 included. So yes, for Windows 64-bit only we are going to download. So right now I will not download this because I have already downloaded it. So just to make sure, like, I will not waste your time much, let's go and check our downloads, where I have already downloaded it. Yeah, SQL Developer, I have downloaded it, I have unzipped it. Okay, now what next? After unzipping the file, you need to copy this file, copy the folder, and go to your C drive, go to the app, and if you remember, I have created a path, the TechieLifestyle home path for Oracle database in my previous video while installing the Oracle database on my system. So this is the path which I have created in the previous session. So here only I need to copy paste it. So I've already pasted it over here. After pasting it, just go into the folder. Inside the folder you have our SQL Developer, that application. Simply this is the application which you are going to run, so just make shortcut of it so that it will be easier for you to all the time, you can open. So I'll be creating a shortcut, and I will be moving this shortcut on my desktop. So that's all we need to do. It's very simple. Now the important part is coming, where we have to make connection between the Oracle SQL Developer and database. So simply open this. Now here we are on Oracle SQL Developer tool. So now how to make connection? While opening this, you will get on the landing page, that is welcome page. So you just have to go to this green plus sign. You just click on that, you will get this pop-up, and you need to fill that with any name, like whatever name you are going to give your database name, that is maybe some Techie Lifestyle. Okay, that will be remain as it is. Database type, it is Oracle, of course. Now that the username, the authentication type is default, and this username, and this is the username which we have unlocked some user. Some user are by default unlocked, that is sys or system. So you may get connected to sys or system. It depends on your system. So if I connect with system, and the password is also I have given system, and this come to this part, the SID. In the previous video I told you, like, ORCL is our SID. Let's keep it as it is, localhost, and the port number will be remain same. This is the basic connection type. Now test this connection. You will get to know the status. It is success. Now we can proceed and we can make the connection between this database and our Oracle developer. So if it is coming success, then you can proceed with the connect. Or if you are getting an error, you can resolve the error by going to the error, whatever it is saying. And also I need to show you one more thing, that if you remember in the previous video, while I'll installing Oracle install Oracle database, then I have unlocked one user that is anonymous. Okay, and this user also I have unlocked it, and this password I have set it like system only. It's no, there is no difference. And see, this is also coming as success. So you can unlock any number of users as you want, depends on your requirement on while installing the database, and you can use the user and proceed with this. So right now I'm working on the system. So let's keep it system, and after testing it, just connect to this. After connecting, right now I have already connected with the system user here, my SQL project. So what will happen, it will ask for is the password is system only. Okay, I can see everything over here. Now what I'm saying, just remove this, open one worksheet, and if you're not sure on which user you are connected, then you can see that as well. Okay, so now in this worksheet, which is nothing but in the MySQL project, now in the worksheet I'm going to perform all this activity. So let me see what is my user. Show user. So it is showing that my user is right now system. So you can check your user and you can proceed with your build and everything, and you can proceed with creating XYZ query and all that stuff. So this is how we should make connection between the Oracle SQL developer and Oracle database. So hope I have made you clear, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't liked my video, please press thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.